How to schedule Instagram Reels. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is simply click on the bottom right corner right over there, and then on your profile you can click on the top right and you can create a reel right here. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, and then my camera shows up. I'm just going to record just this couple of seconds. And then this is the reel I want, blah, blah, blah. Click on next, then click on next. And right here, you can add a caption, you can add a cover, blah, blah, blah. Then if you scroll to the bottom, you can also see advanced settings right there. So if you click on advanced settings, you can now see scheduled content right here. So it says schedule this reel. So if I enable that, you can now see a scheduling tab. So let's say I want to schedule it at Friday and then at 5 p.m. for example. Then I can click on set time, and we have now set the time to Friday at 5 p.m. So now I can go back and I can actually click on schedule right there. So now it says scheduling at the bottom, as you can see. So it's almost done. And once it's done, I can click on view in order to watch the reel, how it would look like, and also see the date when it will be scheduled. But I am going to show you guys, once this loads up, how you can also watch all of your scheduled content, or watch it at any time you want instead of clicking right over here, as you can see. So to do that, you want to go to your profile and then click on the top right on these three lines. And here you can actually see scheduled content. So here you can see all the scheduled content. So even regular posts as well, like pictures and whatnot. So if you click on here, you can actually preview it, how it would look like. You can also see the date. And then at the top right on these three dots, you can also delete, edit, or reschedule, or share now. So you can edit it to whatever you want. Like you can change the cover, blah, blah, blah. You can reschedule it to, for example, tomorrow or the day after the original scheduled date, or whenever you want actually. And you can also just say, nah, I want to post it now anyway. So just click on share now, and then it will now be shared. So that is how you can schedule Instagram Reels. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.